Red Spade takes a little bit different approach to our process upon meeting a client. Our first introduction meeting is one of getting to know a family, a client, understanding what their goals and aspirations are, walking their property with them and understanding what are they really trying to achieve, what is the real goal, what are their expectations, how are they going to use this space, how are they going to care for this space. We see ourselves more as advisors, and the process starts out with a conversation, very simple. It works towards a proposal to develop a design. And that design can be very simple, or that design can be very elaborate depending on what the expectations and needs are. The goal is to work that design into an achievable reality, a plan that can be built, that can meet their expectations both financially and emotionally. Red Spade takes a little bit different approach to our process upon meeting a client. Our first introduction